Hello dear students. In the previous class we have learned that how a line is drawn, how the line is used for drawing a rectangle. We can draw the rectangle by using direct rectangle command. Today we are going to use the circle command and how the circle is drawn in AutoCAD using different options of creating circle in AutoCAD. So first we need to develop a sheet. So for developing sheet, we use command mv setup. Then no, for unit you have to select decimal, then scale factor as 1, and for our sake we will take width as 400 and height as 400. So in this way we have generated the sheet. Now the first option is to create a circle is this. We have to select this circle command from this ribbon area, that is the draw command. That is the draw command. When we click on this circle, there are number of options which are available to us for creating circle. That is center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent, radius, tangent, tangent, tangent. So these are the different methods through which we can create circle in AutoCAD. So we will start with center and radius. If we want to draw a circle with center and radius, if center is known and radius is known, how will you will draw the circle? So click on this option. Then first AutoCAD asks you that specify first point or the center point. So you can click at any point here. We have clicked here. Now in the circle specify radius of circle. In this command line, AutoCAD is giving you indication that now next you have to type the radius of the circle. Let the radius of the circle is 25 units. So type 25, then press enter. So in this way, the circle using center radius option is created. Now how the dimension of this circle is given in AutoCAD. So for that you have to go to annotate, then you have to go to this radius, because I am selecting radius because I have select center radius option for drawing circle. So click it here. You have to click on the boundary of the circle, then you will get the dimension like this. Now this dimension is very small. Now we have need to modify this dimension. So for modifying dimension, we have to go to this small arrow. Now we have to select modify. Then for after modifying, go to symbol and arrow. Then we have to increase the size. Let increase up to 5 or 6. Now next we will go to text. Then in text we have to edit the text height up to 6. The text height and the arrow size will remain the same. Next, primary units. So primary units, you have to go to precision, and according to your need you can select the dimension. Then press OK and then close. So here you can see that dimension is visible here, that is R25. It means this circle is having the radius of 25. Again we will go to home. Now we will draw the circle using other commands of circle. So we will use this next command, center diameter. Center diameter is center is known and we have to provide the diameter. Then first of all, specify center point of the circle. Let us center point of the circle is here, so click it here. Then you have to specify diameter. This dimension line is showing to you that you have to provide the diameter. and the circle itself is showing you that you have to give the diameter of the circle. So let the diameter is given as 60 and press enter. So this is the circle drawn using center diameter option. So again, you will go to annotate for giving the dimension, and you have to click it here on this small arrow. So there are a number of options. Now you have given diameter. So click on diameter, then select circle whose diameter is to be denoted. Then after it, click on this point and you will get the diameter. That is, here you will give the radius, so it is R25. When you will give diameter, it is 565 because diameter is denoted by 5. Again, go to home. Other option of creating circle is 2 point. If there are 2 points in any drawing which we have 2 points from which we have to draw the circle. So select this option 2 point. Let the first point is here and second point is this one. So you can draw the circle by using 2 point also. For providing the dimension of the circle, now you can use radius or diameter count because you have not specified the radius or diameter. So for providing the dimension, go to annotate, then press on this arrow, then you can select radius or you can select diameter. If you select radius, click on the boundary of the circle, then you will get the radius of the circle, that is R 40.1 unit. Radius is 40.1 unit. Again go to home. Then the other option of creating circle is 3 point. If there are 3 point on any drawing, so for creating circle by using 3 point, click on the 3 point with respect to which you want to draw the circle. Let the first point is here, the other point is here, and the next point is here. So in this way the circle is drawn by using 3 point method. Again you have to give the dimension. So go to annotate, then click on this arrow, then you will get radius or diameter. Again now we have selected diameter. So click on the circle, you will get the diameter of the circle, that is pi 139.4. Now the other option of making circle is click on circle, then tangent radius, and other option is tangent. So if two tangent are provided to you, for drawing the tangent we have to use line command. Let without any dimension we have drawn these two lines. Now to escape this line command we have to press escape key. We have these two lines and we have to use these two lines as the tangent of the circle. Now again go to circle, then use tangent radius command. Select first tangent, then select second tangent, and then provide the radius of the circle. So let the radius will be 25. We have provided the radius or diameter abruptly because we have not a specified drawing for drawing circle. So you can see that this circle is drawn by taking this line, and this line is a tangent, and we have provided the radius. So for providing the dimension of this circle, we can go to annotate, then press on this small arrow, then again radius, and click on the outer boundary of the circle, then you will get the radius of the circle. Now the next option for drawing circle is tangent. If we have three lines, so for drawing line I am using the line command. For using line command I will press this line symbol, then if I have select this line, then again I have to off this ortho mode, this line and this line. Now escape to line command. So these are the three lines or we can say that these are the three tangents through which we have to draw the circle. Then go to circle command, select option tangent, tangent, tangent. We have to select these three lines, first, second, and third. So in this way, circle is drawn by using these three lines as a tangent. Now we can give the dimension of this circle. For that, we have to go to annotate, then click on this small arrow. Then we can use radius or diameter. So if we select radius, then click on this circle, and this is the radius of the circle. So in this way, we can use circle command to draw various circle by using different methods, by center radius, by center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent tangent radius, and tangent tangent tangent. So today's lecture is over. Thank you so much and have a nice day.